for the elderly. And I just thought I'd hop on and
We know you're on.
say hello to everybody. Hope y'all are having a blessed Sunday. Hope you've had some rest and relaxation. I know I did for a tiny bit. I had to wake up super early. And yeah, just want to enjoy the rest of the day before my real work week starts tomorrow. But I thought I'd hop on and just say a little bit. Yesterday I actually had an entire day off yesterday, which was amazing. It felt good to have a day off. I work pretty much 7 days a week because I want to. I don't have to. I make decent money as an educator in the education environment, you know. But I like to take care of the elderly, and you know, that's what I like to do. So I'm doing it until I burn myself out, you know. But yesterday I had the day off, and I took my son to take his senior pictures. And let me tell you, he is the baby. He's the baby of the house, and he's graduating this year. And it's rough. So I just want to know if any of you guys, are you of the age where I am, where I'm about to be an empty nester. An empty nester, guys. Oh my gosh. Like, I can't believe it. What am I going to do? Like, it's just going to be my husband and I. My 2 girls are in college. My son's about to leave. And that's it. We have done our job as parents to raise our kids the best that we know how. We hope we have raised them to be independent. So far, they've been good kids, you know. I haven't had problems with them. I haven't had any concerns as of yet. And so, yeah, it's hard. It was hard yesterday to know that was the last kid that I was going to take senior high school pictures for. So I just wanted to know how you feel. I'm a little kind of like excited, but also scared, and just wondering what's going to happen. You know, what am I going to do with myself? He is pretty independent, so he does a lot of things already on his own. But you know, now I start to think of, should I move closer to home? Should I move closer to my parents and my husband to his parents? You know, maybe look for different jobs that are closer to home, so we can spend quality time with our parents as they get older. You know, we've been across the state, the United States for many, many years. And so now is the time to, I think, maybe get closer to home. But I've got a lot to think about this coming year. And I just wanted to see how you guys felt about being an empty nester. Let me tell you, young folks, it goes by real quick. Spend every time you can with your children. Do it. You won't regret it. Don't overwork yourselves, because I'm going to tell you right now, you're so replaceable. As much as you love your job and you're a hard worker like I am, you know what? You are replaceable the minute you step out of that door. But you know what? Your kids will never, ever have another you. So really spend that quality time with them and love on them, and just, you know, photograph every memory you can with your mind or with photos, so you can look back and reflect on all the good times you had together. Be patient with your kids, you know, let them be themselves, let them be independent. And one thing that I think I need to do better was not hover so much over them, like try to protect them, because then it enables them a little bit. You want to build independent children that can rely on themselves. And I wish I could have done that a little bit more. I was a little overprotective, you know. And so, you know, it's not a bad thing, but just something to consider. Okay, guys? Okay, I know I said a lot there, but I guess I'm just drinking coffee right now, and I got a lot to say. Look, I wish you could see the trees that I'm seeing, the beautiful colors. Absolutely gorgeous. Fall in Wisconsin is amazing, guys. Amazing. So look at that. I know you can see just a little of it, but it's so beautiful. I wish y'all were here. I know the winter is going to be horrible, but you know what? Let's not think about that. All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and stop my commute because I cannot talk the entire way home. Are you kidding me? I mean, I probably could. Don't get me wrong, but I don't want to hear myself. So yeah, if you're young, spend time with your kids. Love on them. If you're my age and you're about to be alone, you know what? Take advantage of every moment you can with them. Be patient with them. You know, these teenagers, they know it all, but just be patient with them, love on them. And we're about to embark on a new journey in our lives, okay? And it's going to be a little difficult, but we got to give ourselves some grace, all right? Love you guys. Have a blessed Sunday.